Good morning. What is that?
Presents. Presents. Christmas.
Did Santa come?
We're gonna open those presents.
Did you check and see if he ate all his cookies?
We're gonna put the presents.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
No, it's Christmas morning.
What is it? Okay, open.
Yeah, hold on. Did you check and see if Santa ate his cookies and his carrots?
And
Remember where you put them?
hey, what did it happen?
Okay, come here.
What happened?
Look at. Did Santa eat all his cookies and carrots? Where did they go?
I don't see him.
Did Santa eat them?
Yeah. Whoa, cookies. We didn't eat them.
Did he eat them?
We didn't eat them. Eat.
Did Santa?
Is that the cookies? Wait. No.
No, thank you.
Reach.
Thanks.
Open it out. With the presents.
Okay, go ahead. Where are you going?
What box this?
No, look at the whole tree's got presents. Come here. Come sit down and you can open it.
We can check it. We can help you.
You do it.
Want you to open, Mommy? Please.
Turn it over.
Mommy, that's it?
If you turn it over and pull, you can do it. Keep pulling.
A toy. It's a toy.
Is it?
Perfect.
It is.
Thank you.
No, keep opening.
Wow. Perfect.
Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Keep pulling.
Wow. What's this?
What is
A
it?
Thomas.
Thomas what?
Yeah, good. We can get this. Yep. A drawing cups.
Mm-hmm. Put it back in. There you go. What is it?
We have a soup.
Okay.
Soup. I think this is soup.
Soup?
It's look at the plate. Soup.
Oh, the zip.
A toy.
There's nothing in it.
It went gone. Gone.
They're all gone.
Empty.
Did you see it? Who's on the front?
Put your tractor there.
You want to put the tractor in there?
Bitch.
See ya.